Hello everyone, welcome back to Computing Corner. In today's video, we will explore how to access and search a research paper using for free using two popular platforms, Google Scholar and Science Hub. Whether you are a student or a researcher or just someone who is curious about the latest scientific findings, these tools can be incredibly useful for accessing scholarly articles. Before we diving in, Before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated on our content. Now let's get started. Before we jump into practical step, let's briefly discuss the importance of research papers and the challenges many people face when accessing them for free. Research papers are vital for staying informed about latest developments in various fields, but sometimes they are locked behind paywalls, making it difficult for individuals to access them without institutional access to retrieve them. That's where the tools like Google Scholar and Science Hub come in handy. First, we will talk about Google Scholar. Google Scholar is a freely accessible, sorry, freely accessible search engine that is index scholarly article. It is great starting point for finding academic paper. Here's how you can use it to your advantages. Just type here in the Google Scholar, click on it, click on this first link. Interface like this will appear in front of you. That is Google Scholar. Here you can type the title of the paper or a keyword you want to search about the papers and or the author of the paper. Here I am using only the keyword parental control. Here the interface like this, all the research papers related to this keyword appear in front of you. Now here one thing, remember that if this kind of text PDF that clickable link appear in front of the link of the paper, you can download it directly. Just click on this and down here click on download button and save it. Here your paper is download. But when a link a paper like this, effect of alternative parental control and child behavior like this, which has no link directly which are not directly downloadable, we can use Science Hub. Science Hub is a website that provides free access to research paper bypassing paywalls. Here you can use it responsibly. Just type SCIHUB. Click on this first link. The interface like this will appear in front of you. What you have to do? You have just to copy the URL of the paper you want to download and paste it here. Okay, and click on open. There it is. Here's your paper. It is downloading. Here it is. Just click on this download button. Click on save, and there it is. It downloaded to your computer. And this is a quick guide on how to access or search a research paper and then download it for free. We use Google Scholar and Science Hub. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you have any question or suggestion for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.